I was gonna take a look at the injectors, just pop them each off one by one, and I wanted to make sure nothing happened to the spark plugs since I've tried to start it. It's been backfiring quite a bit, but if I can't figure out what's going on or why it can't start today, I'm just gonna have to put this on the back burner, because I really don't want to spend too much money on this one. But I guess let's go and get started and see what we can figure out. It's really windy, so it's going to be hard to talk. So hope is that I can eject fuel out of here. I don't know if that's really going to work, but I guess we'll see. What it does out of curiosity. So I can pretty much confirm that all the injectors are working. I just assume that they'll spray properly, because the way the injectors are designed, I guess it builds up pressure inside the walls, and then once it builds up enough pressure inside the injector walls, it'll push that little nozzle back up and allow some fuel to spray in, mist in slowly. And none of the holes where the injector, none of the walls look scratched up where the injector seats, so I'm gonna have to assume that they're good. Oh man, what the heck? It happened one time. Let's see if it'll do it again. some reason it's not gassing up when the water is flowing. Let's try without the water again. Now it doesn't want to start. So what I want to do here is make sure it's maintaining 11 volts on crank, because I read somewhere that if it's not maintaining 11 volts on crank, then it won't start up properly, and that could explain why it's starting up on a fresh charge. So what could be a problem is this battery is actually not strong enough for the jet ski. So this could be the reason why it's not starting actually, because when that battery was fresh, it started up and idled. But now that it's not maintaining 12 volts, above 11 volts during crank, is why it's probably not starting up. Because from what I hear, it's really important for these jet skis to maintain that 11 volt during crank. Even with this battery connected to it, it's still not pushing it, which doesn't make sense. I mean, there should be no reason why it wouldn't be able to hit 12 volts. So it's very possible that that it is really as simple as the battery, because on a freshly charged battery, it idled. Even with the car battery in there, it's not really idling, but it's not maintaining the proper voltage. It's dropping below 10 volts in some cases. In some cases, is at 10.5 volts. I don't know if that half a volt will make that big of a difference, but I mean, it's possible. So I guess I gotta kind of come to a decision whether if I want to spend money on a higher quality marine battery. Maybe I'll look on the Polaris website, see what they recommend for this particular model, and go try to match the cranking amps and the voltage amps, and not voltage amps, but the cranking amps and the voltage. So maybe that'll help it out some, because I mean, as you saw at the beginning of the video, that was a freshly charged battery. Put it on, I mean, it started up like clockwork. Yeah, it did kind of take out the injectors and ran fuel through them, but I don't think that really did anything other than just prove to me that the injectors were working. But I guess we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and post this video up just as an update, and we'll go from there. Hopefully I'll be able to figure something out. Alright, I guess I'll see you on the next video.